Hi guys, I am Trisha and this is
Kyla.
So today we are here to show you how to apply the step-by-step process sa pag-put og makeup sa face. And ang atong inspiration for today's look is clean girl makeup look. So first thing first, i-fix na ko ang hair para dili siya masagi or maigo ang makeup. And then after this i-prep na ko ang lips by using or applying this lip balm. So, unsay first ibutang kay sa face.
So, okay. First, let's have first here the primer. Ito, makita ninyo. So, ang function ng primer is to create a smooth base for the rest of the makeup para dili maging cakey ang makeup niya, para po mag-last longer ang makeup. Ang mostly ingredients ng primer is silicone, glycerin, dimethicone, and it is a water-based formulation, meaning easy to apply lang siya, as you can see, diba? So, yung mga ingredients na yon, it contributes to its effects on the skin, which means like, gina-even out ganiya ang texture ng skin, gina-blur niya ang pores gani, tapos gina-prevent niya ang makeup, as what I've said kanina, na maging cakey, and gina-prevent niya ang makeup na mag-fade. So, diba? Primer pa lang, glowing na. Ay. So, next guys, after the primer is yung foundation natin. Ayan, liquid yung foundation na gagamitan para easy to apply po siya. So, ang function ng foundation natin is to provide an even complexion with desired coverage natin. And ang ingredients na involved dito sa foundation natin are water, silicones, pigments, meron na din siyang SPF and hydrating or mattifying agents, which contributes sa overall effects nito sa skin. Yung effects nito sa skin natin is it smooths yung mga smooths yung imperfections, and it evens yung skin tone and creates a uniform base para easy to apply na lang yung the rest of the makeup natin. Yan. Pero mostly sa foundation na gagamitan dito, since clean look yung inspiration natin, is onti lang ganun. Para to even out lang yung base natin. Okay na.
Okay.
So, next guys is yung color corrector natin and yung concealer natin. So, here we have dalawa kang color corrector and isang concealer. First is ito. Ginagamit to siya for dark circles. Ang purpose niyan is ayun nga, para ma-cover up dito yung dark circles. And ito naman, ginagamit siya for pimples naman to. Para ma-cover yung pimples gani, and para even yung natin, like texture. Ito naman, yung concealer natin, function natin is to cover blemishes. Same lang sa color corrector. Covers blemishes, dark circles, and discoloration with like a more concentrated formula. And yung ingredients nila, same lang that. It has pigments, emollients, hydrating agents like hyaluronic acid, and sa color corrector natin, same lang din, pigments, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, which contributes sa effects ng skin natin, which it brightens yung complexion and improves yung evenness ng skin. At yung concealer naman, it brightens, ayun nga, para lang sila ng effects sa skin, it brightens under eye areas, and it conceals imperfections para wow ang look. So, after yung primer, foundation, and concealer, and color corrector, we have here yung foundation natin. Yan. Ang function ng powder natin is to set mag-give siya ng sets for the foundation and concealer na gigamit natin kanina para good makontrol ang oil and shine ng face natin. Tapos, ang ingredients na meron ang powder, mostly is yung talc, silica, and binding agents. And yung mga ingredients na yun, it contributes sa effects nito sa skin, which it gives a matte or natural na finish good sa face natin while preventing na magkaroon siya ng excess oil and hindi siya parang kikitingnan. After the foundation, we have here yung eyebrow pencil natin. So, yung function ng eyebrow pencil natin, it defines the shape and it fills the spars and eyebrows natin. And since clean girl yung makeup, inspired makeup natin, we don't have to be like kanang thick and dark pigmented god siya. Ano lang, parang subayon lang god ang kilay, tapos ano lang siya, i-enhance lang iyang shape, ano. Ang ingredients na involved sa atong eyebrow pencil is yung waxes, pigments, oils, and conditioning agents like vitamin E, which contributes sa effects nito sa skin. It creates a natural or bold na brows, diba, as you can see, and it enhances yung facial structure. Sample na ng facial structure. So, after yung eyebrow pencil natin, we have here yung eyeshadow. Yan. Kita niyo. And we have different colors, diba, sa eyeshadows. And we will only be using yung brown na shade. Kay clean girl makeup man ang inspired look natin. So, ang function niya ng eyeshadow, it adds color, depth, and dimension sa eyelids natin. And ang ingredients na involved are talc, pigments, binders, and sometimes shimmer or glitter. Kaya diba yung mga other like kanang eyeshadows, meron silang glitter something kaya para it enhances yung color, diba? And yung mga ingredients na yun, it contributes sa effects ng skin which enhances yung eye shape and expression nga. Which provides, ayun, wow. Maging wow na yung kanang eyes. Kasi diba, sa look or sa face, structure ng face natin, importante yung eyes. Kaya, yeah. After yung eyeshadow, we have here yung eyeliner natin. Ayan. So, yung purpose ng or yung function ng eyeliner natin, it defines and enhances yung eyes gana natin with precise line or pa-smudge good na effect. Yung iba kaya, di ba, may paano sila, nagabigay siya ng parang maging cat eye siya, di ba? And brog yung brog function. And yung ingredients na involved, ayun, waxes, oils, pigments, and film-forming agents, which contributes sa effects nito sa skin, which intensifies yung eye shape, making yung eyes natin, it appears, pwede siyang mag-appear into larger or ang ginabuhat po sa uban, it's either larger or smaller yung eye, para maging smaller yung eyes nila. Tapos since skin girl makeup man tayo, so brags, like light lang ang paglagay sa kanang, brag pang pa-enhance lang siya sa dito. So, after the eyeliner, we have here yung eyelash curler natin. Ayan. As you can see. So, ang function ng eyelash curler natin, it lifts and curls yung eyelashes natin to create a more open-eyed look. Ang ingredients. Tapos, meron magong times na yung eyelash curler may plastic, meron ding metal. Since metal yan, it's easy to use and more convenient siya kaya para dili siya dali masira, And it enhances yung eye shape by making yung eyelash natin longer. But siya nakaana dyan, pero kung naka-false lashes, diba? It appears longer and more lifted. After ng eyelash curler, we have here mascara. So, ayan, yung function naman ng mascara, it darkens and lengthens and thickens and it defines yung eyelashes natin. Kaya para diba, curl naman siya kanina. So, naka-curl na yung eyelash, it has to be defined na lang. Like, ipadarken na lang siya na. So, muna ang function ng mascara natin. And yung ingredients involved dyan is pigments, waxes, polymers, and conditioning agents like panthenol, which contributes sa effects nito, which enhances yung lash volume natin and length, making the eyes appear more dramatic and expressive. So, yeah. Wow!
Sige na.
Baka. So guys, tapos na tayo sa eyes na part. So we have here naman yung blush natin. Ayan, it's powder. Sa powder blush. Kaya para easy to apply lang good siya. Yung purpose naman ng blush natin, it adds color sa cheeks, diba? Para mestiza look. Mestiza ba? Mestiza look. And, diba, para po dili kayo putla god ang face natin. So it adds ka para burag healthy, youthful glow, ana. So, ang ingredients involved sa blush are pigments, talc, binding agents, and sometimes it is infused with skincare ingredients kaya para mas nice siya. And which it contributes sa effects nito sa skin which enhances yung radiance and liveliness ng face natin. Which, ayan, di ba? Pak! Sobrang Latina. So, we are done with the blush. We have here naman yung lipstick. Ayan. Tapos, ang purpose ng lipstick, ay nakapag-lip balm na siya kanina, diba? Kaya para dili siya directly good mag-ano sa lips, para dili kayo madawat yung lips. And, burag hydrated na daan yung lips, diba? So, yeah, yung lipstick, it provides color and hydration sa lips natin. Pero, diba, daghan variation ang lipstick. Na matte, na glossy. We have here yung parang glossy since, diba, clean makeup look man na tong inspiration. So, mas nice if glossy ang atong gamitan, diba? And yung ingredients na involved siya is, ayun, waxes, oils, pigments, emollients, and sometimes may SPF pa siya nakasama para hindi masira yung, lips natin. And, ayun, nag-a-add siya, diba? After we have lipstick, diba, Jud? Nag-a-add siya vibrancy and hydration at also enhances yung lip appearance natin. So, we are finished with the makeup, but before that, we have here setting spray, ayan, for the finishing look. So, ang purpose ng natin, or function ng setting spray natin, so it locks yung makeup natin, kaya para magstay good siya in place, kaya para kung sa pagbuhatan yung modera, diba, daily activities natin sa school, sa work, sa unsa padira, kay magstay lang ang makeup natin. And ingredients involved dira are water, alcohol, and film-forming polymers and glycerin, which contributes sa effect na to sa skin, which, ayun nga, it prevents the makeup from fading, smudging, or becoming patchy. Ay, para, ayan. Diba? Tapos na, ayan, guys. Wow! Yan. Tapos na natin clean girl makeup, inspired makeup na look. And, yeah, thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Kamsami, bye!